Winter can be very tough on our kids' hair, leaving it dry and frizzy. So in today's video, I am sharing an easy aloe vera and hibiscus hairspray to keep their hair soft, hydrated and healthy all season. So if you're excited, let's get started. So first, let's prepare our aloe vera. Please, it is important that you soak your aloe vera for at least 1 hour before using it for this recipe, especially if you're using it for your kids, to avoid the itchiness. Okay, the reason why you have to soak your aloe vera for that long is to remove that latex, which is the poison that can cause itching for your child. Okay, so now I'm going to scrape my aloe vera and put everything in my blender, and I'm going to add some water to it because what I am looking for is a hairspray, not a gel. I'm looking for the water, so I'm going to add more water to be able to get enough hairspray from this aloe vera. Now this is what my aloe vera juice is looking like. I'm going to strain it and keep it aside until it drips completely. Now the next ingredient is hibiscus flower. Okay, I've already put my hot water in my container and I'm going to be adding into the hot water 5 pieces of hibiscus flower. If you add more than this, it might color and stain your kid's body. Okay, so add 5 pieces, cover it and allow it to sit for 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes is up, I'm going to combine both the aloe vera and the hibiscus juice and the hibiscus water together to make this powerful hairspray that you can now use on your kids. Now our hairspray is ready. Look at how rich the color is. If you are dealing with dry hair this season, you can say goodbye using this spray. Okay, alright guys, now let's talk about the benefits of using both aloe vera and hibiscus hairspray on your kids' hair. So aloe vera will deeply hydrate and soften your kids' hair, preventing it from drying and freezing up, which is common in this winter season. While hibiscus will strengthen their hair, add shine and soothe the scalp to reduce flakiness, plus it conditions the hair. Now these 2 ingredients are mild, making the spray perfect for kids' sensitive scalp while preventing dryness caused by the cold winter. It also helps to keep their hair more manageable and smooth. And if your child's hair is not growing, this hairspray might be the solution for that because it encourages healthy hair growth with natural nourishment from both aloe vera and hibiscus flower. Okay, it is also a perfect product to use for their scalp care because it helps to soothe and prevent flakiness or irritation, and it leaves their hair shiny and healthy looking without harsh chemicals. So I hope that you see now that combining these 2 ingredients is going to not only hydrate your child's hair but also strengthen your child's hair from the root to the top. Okay, so if you're not incorporating hibiscus and aloe vera yet, please ensure that you try this hairspray. Now how do we use this hairspray? Please concentrate it on the scalp and on the rest of the hair, especially at the ends of the hair, which is prone to tangle and breakage and even dryness because it's the part that is most exposed to the weather. Okay, so now I apply the hairspray on the hair and then I'll finger the tangle with my hand, and then I'll go in with my finger to loosen the knot. It is important, please finger the tangle before going in with comb, anything to prevent their hair from breaking. Now once you're done applying this hairspray, please remember to seal the moisture. I am sealing the moisture with my DIY hair butter. A video of how I make this butter is coming up shortly, trust me. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so that you don't miss out that video when it finally uploads. Okay, now why it is important to seal our hair is to prevent this moisture from drying. Okay, because believe it or not, aloe, although is a fame forming humectant, it is still liquid and it can dry out over time. Okay, so that is why you are going to go in with your butter or grease or oil to seal the moisture. That way your daughter's hair will stay moisturized for a long period of time. Now, how do you store this product? This product for best result can be stored in the fridge for up to 7 days. Please discard after 7 days. Please discard after 7 days so that it will still maintain its potency. Okay, and how often should you apply this on your child's hair? You can apply this every twice in a week, depending on the style that her hair is currently on. All right, yeah, that way you're keeping your child's hair protected, hydrated, and safe this winter period. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I encourage you to try this on your kids hair, and I would love to hear your feedback. If you enjoyed this, please kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, especially more content that will help to benefit your hair in this winter period. Until I come your way next time, my name is Favor, compliment of the season. Please take care of yourself and stay blessed. Bye.